Sure could use some help.
From me?
No, from any kids who want to come. Grandkids. You show them what we already picked?
I did. These are the worst ones too, because they're didn't get as much water down at this end. One more plant.